This could be, is this your new bike?
Is it?
Oh. Teener wieners in the tightest jeans I've ever seen in my life.
Are you complaining?
I'm not complaining. All right, what's up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing a brand new limited edition Ducati motorcycle. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Before we get started with the unboxing, I do want to show you guys real quick, remind you, I'm currently giving away a 2025 Ducati Panigale V4 and my custom Ducati Diavel V4. Right now you'll be entered to win both of these bikes for the month of August only. You're getting double entries. Patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It's always the first link in the description below. Go over there, get signed up, and you could be taking home one of my beautiful Ducati motorcycles. All right, now let's go check out this new bike. I just had to show you guys a little behind the scenes. Zach's getting married in a couple of weeks. He's the GM here at Warhorse Camp Hill. And they're going to be using some Yamaha generators. We were laughing because I was saying I had a Yamaha guitar at one point. They make pianos, bikes, side-by-sides, watercrafts. Yeah, like it's just insane. Look, I love their old school gas pump they got out here. It just cracks me up. Now we're going to go over and unbox a limited edition Ducati. All right, the unboxing has begun. I've actually never ridden a Ducati Scrambler. And I didn't even know they made special edition Scramblers. Did you? I feel like this has got to be one of the first ones. It's the 10-year anniversary of something. It's either the 10-year anniversary of Rizoma and Ducati together, or the 10-year anniversary of the Scrambler lineup. I don't.
10-year anniversary of 10 years.
Yeah, 10-year anniversary of something. I don't know what exactly it is. I didn't do a lot of research here, guys, but I do know it's a Ducati. That's all that matters. 2 boxes worth of stuff. Is this like extra pieces or accessories or something? That's pretty cool. There might even be like a cover maybe that matches or something. I'm not sure. There's a battery right there. It's just really cool to see like how these things come. For some reason this doesn't even have, like, what is this? It looks like it's broken. It's not, but you know what I mean? Like the bars aren't even,
They do come like that.
like this looks like a clip-on.
Yeah, well,
This doesn't get used. Like what is happening here? Right?
Hey, there's
It's
a
like
number.
like a Jenga puzzle.
Number
There it is. So these,
221 out of
yeah,
5.
so these are limited edition. Number 221 out of 500.
222 would have been cooler.
Yeah, that would have been sick. 10-year anniversary Rizoma edition. So yeah, maybe it's the 10-year anniversary of Rizoma working with Ducati. I'm sure somebody will let me know in the comment section below. All right, we'll give you a first little sneak peek here. Look at that. Scrambler, Ducati, Rizoma edition. I love the anniversary. And there's like, so it's a special paint scheme with some really cool Rizoma parts, and those are the cool finish that you see, like a rose gold. What is that called? It's an aluminum something or other. Yeah, look, you can even see that. It's actually pretty cool. I do like the.
I can't wait to see if I can.
This could be. Is this your new bike?
Is it?
Oh. All right. Teener wieners in the tightest jeans I've ever seen in my life.
Are you complaining?
I'm not complaining. It's a hell of a view. No one's looking at the Scrambler. So here it is, guys. The first look at the
It looks so little.
2025 10-year anniversary Rizoma edition Ducati Scrambler. Yeah, it's only an 803cc. They make an 1100 version too. I actually really like the headlight. That's super cool with the X out on there.
I feel this.
There are some Rizoma parts in there that have to go on. What's up?
I like that that's not glossy.
The belt. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a whole billet aluminum. So they did a bunch of billet aluminum pieces for this bike. Look, and they even Cerakoted, blacked out the pipe. That's actually really cool. And I wonder if those are see-through or if they're just black. Yeah, so those are the belt covers. Look at that. It's really dope, dude. And then these are air-cooled, so there's no big radiators or anything like that up front, which means literally the engine just gets cooled from air flowing over it. Like I said, 803cc, and they make around 70 horsepower. I like that the shock is gray too. That's a really nice touch. I think white would have been really cool if I had a choice, white or black maybe, or even the rose gold would have been dope. And then, yeah, it's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna have them put the bars together and get it out of here. So you can see there's actually a little cool like front thing that's billet aluminum rose gold too. And then the seat is like suede, which is really nice. You can carry 2 people on there. They actually make some really cool exhausts for these. You can get some titanium pipes that wrap all the way around the bottom and come up through there and look really cool. Are you falling over? Have you been drinking this morning? It's in the middle of the day. My God. What do you think, teens? Would you take one?
Yeah, I think it's definitely unique. I don't mind scramblers. There's some scramblers on the floor out there that I really love. I've never ridden one, but I kind of want to because I feel like
I want to ride one too.
We're going to test it out when it's out, but
Yeah.
I think I can touch the ground.
Yeah.
And the closer I get to flat foot, the better. Because I'm tiny, I'm 5'4".
What if I told you this one's already sold? And
Then
it's for
why
and it's for a female.
Is it?
Yeah.
I mean, I figured. I don't know if any males would ride this.
I was trying to imply that it was yours, but it's not.
It's not.
I didn't buy it for you. It
You're
is.
buying me a bike?
That's messed up. This guy. Tina Wieners wanted to see. She's 5'4", and she can, like, balls of her feet, right?
Yeah.
You're not tippy toeing. You could ride it, right?
I could.
Yeah. Look at that. It's just a set of ass cheeks sitting on this
But I
thing.
don't like where the peg foot is.
How's the seat feel?
It's
Is
comfortable.
the seat
Parent style.
like not? Let me see the riding position. Why do you look so funny on it? Actually, you look pretty good.
An upright position.
I'd say that looks pretty good. You could rock it.
I think I could rock a scrambler.
Is it time to get a scrambler for you? 73
Hey, why don't you sit
horsepower,
on it? Why don't you go sit on it?
15K.
Let's see what a under 6 foot man.
I'm gonna make it look like. Why did you have to say under 6 foot? You couldn't just say 6 foot. Huh? Yeah, I agree. When you put your legs down.
Yeah, isn't that? Yeah.
Absolutely wrecked by
Yep.
these, and they're like.
I don't like where they are.
There you go. That's how I would look on it.
I don't know. It's not bad.
On it?
It feels like you should be in a Mission Impossible movie, like fleeing the scene. You grabbed a random bike, and now you're going through like Venice, escaping gunshots and everything.
I've never ridden one of these.
They're actually pretty nice.
Are they? They're like city bikes, right? Little off-road, little city.
Yeah, even like going through like the mountains, like in the twisties. I mean, they're just a solid all around bike.
Yeah. This is like the classic motorcycle, you know? Like this is it. Right? This is everything you get. These are cool. Born free.
Yeah, like nothing extra. Like it's just
1962. Yeah.
Where does it say?
Born free right here. It's got a little 4-inch display. It's got rider modes. 70 horsepower. I mean, it's a good
It's a bike.
I think it's cool. I love black and white, and it's satin or matte pretty much. It's a good looking bike, dude. Once you peel all the plastic off and everything, it's gonna look great. All right, brought the bike inside. We're not gonna do the whole PDI process today because, like I said, it's after hours. They were letting me hang out just to show the unboxing. It does come with a really cool box, which is sweet. Because this boxes within boxes. Look at that. I'm not gonna open up this stuff, but that's probably some sort of certificate of authenticity or something. Ooh, it looks like there might be a bike case.
Oh,
it
gas.
even has a gas cap, Rizoma. That's really nice. They're locking as well. And what is that?
This feels like a cover.
A cover? Wow, you get a custom cover with it. That's actually really sick. Yeah, super cool. That's dope, dude. And then it even came with that really cool Rizoma. Do you want to show that real quick? I don't think we're gonna put it on. Teens just keeps going deeper. Look at her. She
I just want to make sure.
It is a cover.
like Christmas.
Oh, it's
But
white.
it's white.
A full white cover.
Yeah.
Good luck keeping that clean, but it's gonna look really nice.
but it's got the.
Oh wow, the rose gold
Yeah.
stripe on it. And look at this. Goes on the front of the bike there, right over the headlight. That is beautiful. Then you get to see the rose gold without the plastic on it, which is super cool. So yeah, someone's gonna get a really nice bike here. Congratulations if you see this video. It's super cool. Again, 73-ish horsepower, 15K coming in at these, one of 500 in the world. Does have rider modes, and it also has ABS and I think traction control and a quick shifter, which is
Does it?
it's a nice little package.
Wow.
Yeah, it really is a cool little bike. So I think that's it. So let us know what you guys think about the Scrambler Ducati Rizoma Edition in the comment section below. Oh, there it is. That's cool. What is? Oh, that's that's the cover.
Yeah.
That's actually really cool.
It's just super clean.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are cool bikes, man. Definitely cool bikes. I need to ride one. I've never ridden one, so at some point, not this one obviously because it's sold, but yeah, very cool bike.
Fancy quality.
Yeah. And then don't forget about my giveaways. my custom Ducati Diablo V4 and the 2025 Panigale V4. That's going to be full carbon fiber. If you sign up in the month of August, you're getting double entries. You're going to enter to both win both of those bikes. And if all goes well, we will be choosing a winner for the custom Diablo in the month of August. So stay tuned for that. Thanks to Warhorse for letting us do these cool unboxings and being an official sponsor of the build series. If you want anything from them, mention my name, Campisi, you'll save money. And thank you to the beautiful Christina for always being a breath of fresh air in my what would otherwise be terrible videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big old juicy thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Sneak peek of the next unboxing, guys. The one that you really want to see. What could it be? What a color. What a box.